Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for being a part of the team here at Not Your Father's Capital. And I'm going to get into a lot of news right here in this video. We're going to talk a little bit about the altcoin market rally that we've been experiencing, give you guys my thoughts, and get you on your way, okay? But let's get down into it, guys. And always, please subscribe down below. If you have not yet joined us here at the channel, smash that like button as well. Check us out on X, all that good stuff. Let's get into it, though. And I do want to share with you guys exactly what I mean when we talk about the cryptocurrency market right now is kind of on a tear of recent times, okay? And what I mean by that is Bitcoin surging above 35K, kind of solidifying that, almost making that an established bottom right here, but basically flat, all right? And you can see it right here. We look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, almost 1,900, but look at the gains, guys. Less than 0.1% in either direction, okay? So pretty much flat. My personal opinion, and obviously not financial advice, so always do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But my personal opinion as it relates to the market is that I think everybody as investors are just kind of sitting there waiting, not sure what's going to happen next, not sure what to do next, and it's kind of a unprecedented, unexpected turn of events for Bitcoin, right? I think it's a little bit earlier than we were expecting, but we've had such a strong, basically, comeback within the number one crypto that the rest of the market's following suit. So we have a lot of events, the Bitcoin spot ETF, as well as some other things going on in the markets. But more so, you can look at some of the top 10s, guys, and it's something where we've seen the likes of Solana exploding above $40. XRP, will it hit 70 cents? That is going to be, a continual trek up. You can look back into 7 days, XRP, one of the biggest gainers, them and Cardano, 24% and 17, 18% respectively at the time of this recording. So very good stuff. I'm going to get into it, guys, and this is obviously what I came here to talk about because, like I said, Ethereum, XRP, and Cardano have led the show within these rebounds right now. So this is something where we've seen another 2% added to the crypto market cap, basically as a whole. And now this is what we're seeing, a lot of altcoins continuing to show some strength and display that strength because this is stemming on the heels of what we've had from the U.S. jobs report. But that is so much more of a traditional stock exchange reaction, okay? But more so what we are seeing in this market is we are seeing the altcoin market cap approaching its first resistance, guys. And that's kind of what I told you about in this video where we talked about how having that breakout from its year-long market structure, Bitcoin and crypto, basically, according to Rec Capital, is confirming that breakout from what we've been in, this rut, if you will, from the last year or so. So essentially, two things need to happen, right? In my opinion, we look into the future. We know what's happening with the Bitcoin halving cycle. We know historically how that's responded and caused the markets to react. But more so, I think this is an interesting time, a turning point. We're getting into a new political regime, possibly in 2024. And it's something where we look into the future. You really don't know what's going to happen. All we know is that institutionals are betting big on Bitcoin. They're betting big on crypto. And you can see that evident with the inflows of funds into the crypto markets once more, okay? And that's kind of what we saw from the fallout from the last bull cycle. It was really just a flurry of events, a lot of macro factors at hand, okay? A lot of tightening from the Fed, and more so, we saw a lot of institutional money kind of get their way out and protect their more volatile and riskier asset classes, okay? And that's what we saw. So when that money comes back in, all bets are off for what we have gained in adoption versus those totals in market cap and having that inflow back, that would be absolutely monumental. But guys, let's talk more some on XRP because they have been the star, 15% weekly gains and a quiet 15%, if that. Okay, and that's where we've even seen XRP almost 5% up over the last 24 hours. And now the talk is up to the 70 cents. And guys, this low and slow approach, that's what I like to see. A lot of organic growth. Let's get XRP back over $1, and then we can really start turning some heads, and we can continue with the XRP talk, okay? Whales are picking up. $100,000 transactions, that volume of those transactions in specific have increased in November. Okay, that's very, very good for a lot of price action. Okay, and that's more so when we talk about how XRP is continuing to find its footing after getting out of the legal scuffle with the SEC. Okay, and that's where we see more and more adoption, right? More and more XRP holders and more belief for this global leader. Okay, and that's something where I told you guys $1 is firmly in my sights. And let's see what happens, okay? Because Cardano, just like XRP, busted out of that 30 cents resistance line, right? That psychological barrier living at 30 cents on the charts. And now so we're at 35% and looking a little bullish on ADA's front. So all good stuff. Let me know down below in the comments, do you guys believe the activity we're seeing from the whales? And that's evident within Cardano and XRP. I'm curious to hear your guys' thoughts. I get it both ways. A lot of you guys are watching these videos, which I don't understand, to FUD Cardano or FUD XRP, but very vocal in the comments, so I appreciate you guys being a part of the channel. And if you have not yet subscribed, absolutely subscribe. It's the best thing you can do all week. Start your week off right. Hit that subscribe button down below, and I thank you guys once more for watching this video, and we'll see you all in the next one. Thanks, everyone.